We are back with Youva Originals. Today, let's have some fun with paper fold art. Here's what you'll need. Start by folding a white sheet into 4 parts as shown. Use a pencil to draw your design in one of the folded sections. Then open the sheet and create similar drawing in another section. Add color to your drawing with oil pastels. Use a black sketch pen to add the final touches. Open the sheet and repeat the process. Your paper fold art is complete. Try this with a different fun drawing. Join us next Saturday for another easy Youva Originals tutorial.